Hello everyone, welcome you to my video. In today's video, we will see how to find similarity between two sentences. So when two text documents are given, how you will find the similarity between them. So there are multiple ways to do it. Okay, so here with the help of sentence transformer model, we are going to do it. So let me go to the video. I have created four sentences here, right? As you can see, we have four strings. And let me take this as a list. So I'm basically going to find the similarity between any of these two documents. So let me show you that. So here I'm going to use sentence transformer. So basically sentence transformer is a framework which is used for text embedding or image embeddings. So here I'm going to show you how to use this for text embedding. And you have to install this first. So if you haven't installed, you can install it using this command. And after you install it, you can import it from sentence underscore transformers. So I have imported sentence transformer and I'm also importing cosine similarity. So basically this is to find the similarity between the documents, right? So let me import this and let's take the model. So here paraphrase, this model is a sentence transformer model. So I'm going to use this here. Right, so we have initialized our model and I'm going to encode the sentences here. So using encode function, I'm going to encode all these sentences, right? So this will give you the numerical representation of these sentences, right? Let me print that. So for each sentences, you can see the numerical representation, right? So it's very lengthy, as you can see. Right, for each sentence, you can see a lengthy numerical representation, right? This is because this sentence transformer model actually maps the sentences to a 384 dimensional vector space. Okay, so if you just check the length of it. So here we are going to have four embeddings as we have four sentences. And if you look into each embedding, you will see the length is actually 384. That's because this sentence transformer is mapping the sentence to a 384 dimensional vector space. All right. So now we have embedded and let's find the similarities. So I have taken two sentences here. Okay. So this is sentence 1 and this is sentence 2. So if we just go back and see how the sentences are. So the first sentence is somewhat negative, and if you see the second sentence is a positive sentence. Okay, so if I try to find the similarity between these two documents, let's see how the cosine similarity is. So basically cosine similarity, if the value is closer to 1, then it means that both the statements or both the sentence are very similar. Okay, if it is exactly 1, then it is equal, right? So let's see the cosine similarity for sentence 1 and sentence 2, which is actually dissimilar, right? So if you can see here, the value is actually closer to 0, which means that both the sentences that we have taken are not similar, right? Not even closer, right? So you can see the value is just 0.14, right? Which is closer to 0. Now let's take some other sentence and we will find the similarity here. Okay, so let's see. So this is our sentence 1. This is the next sentence. And okay, so here we have a negative sentence, right? So let's try to take this first sentence and the third sentence, which are actually negative, right? So let's see how much closer they are. So I'm finding cosine similarity between sentence 1 and sentence 3. So here, if you can see, the cosine similarity score has increased, right? Because both are negative, right? So you can see the value is 0.54, right? So like this, if you wanted to find the similarity between two sentences, you can use cosine similarity, and with the help of sentence transformer, we can do it, right? Okay. So in other videos, I'll tell you what other techniques we have. Okay. So thank you all. See you.